Here I have Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can change volume buttons function. So you can set it to shutter, to zoom, or to just volume. So let's set it to zoom and try it out. And as you can see now, like using volume buttons, I can zoom in or zoom out. Quite useful, I guess. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.